Today, I'm going to talk about Gmail features. Gmail is everywhere. It has become our logical address in our day-to-day life. Be it your Instagram or Facebook, your Google Pay or your YouTube, everywhere at Gmail is associated. So today, I'm going to touch base about three different features in Gmail. The first feature is about auto forwarding. How to enable auto forwarding of your emails to another Gmail account. The second one about delegation. How to give delegation of your mailbox access to another Gmail account. The third one is themes. How to make your Gmail look much pleasant, colorful. With your own taste, you can create your own themes. So there are a number of themes available in Gmail. You can choose one among them. Before getting into the instructions, please subscribe to the channel and share this link with your friends and family. Let's get into the instructions.
Let me show you how to configure the mail forwarding from one Gmail account to another Gmail account. What I'm going to do is this example. I have two email accounts, NVTech Field and NVTech Wings. I'm going to enable the forwarding option on NVTech Field. So any emails coming to NVTech Field will get forwarded to NVTech Wings. This setting has to be enabled in NVTech Field account, and once I have enabled this, all the emails going forward coming to NVTech Field will leave a copy to NVTech Wings as well. And the emails that NVTech Wings receive will clearly show from whom it received and to which email ID it got received to. And on NVTech Field, you will have an option, because it's getting all the emails are getting forwarded, so you will have an option whether the original copy to be deleted or to be marked as read or to get deleted or to get archived. So that options are available in the settings itself. Let me walk you through it. I'm going to open my Gmail account and NVTech Field, and I'm clicking on settings, see all settings. Under the settings tab, I have multiple tabs. So I'll go to forwarding and pop-up IMAP, and I have to click here, add a forwarding address. So I'm going to give my NVTech wings at gmail.com, and once I confirm the email address, it will ask me to proceed. So it is reconfirming whether all the emails to be forwarded to NVTech Wings. Yes, I'll click on confirm, proceed. Now it's going to get a confirmation. So on my other email address, that is NVTech Wings, I will receive a confirmation message from Gmail team asking me to confirm, do you want to receive email? See, I have received this from Gmail team asking me to confirm. So I have an option whether I can give this confirmation code here and click on verify, or if I click here on this link, it is done. So I'll go here and I click on verify, and it got verified. By default, after verification, the forwarding option is got disabled. Now why? I mean, like I said, we have other settings needs to be done. So forward a copy of incoming mail to NVTech Wings. So from account 1 to account 2, what is that you want to do? So one is incoming email has to be forwarded, and whether that copy needs to be as read, or it should be as simple as we received a new email, it will be left in the inbox, or you want to archive that, or you want to delete it. So my requirement is, anyways, I'm going to read it in other inbox, so I'll just keep it as read. Now after saving this, the settings are done. For security purpose, Google will keep this banner for next 7 days. So what is this banner? Since you are forwarding all your emails to another email address, from the security perspective, Google will give this banner for the end user. So after 7 days, this banner will go off. If you want to, in case if someone accidentally or someone deliberately did this on your account to see what emails are coming to you. So when you log into your web mail from the desktop or from the laptop, you will see this notification, and you can review the settings and you can modify it. But this option, this security setting, only visible when you log into the web mail, not on your mobile app. So just keep that in your mind. You will not see this in your mobile app, only when you log into Gmail using your Chrome from a laptop or from the desktop. Now let me test how this is going to work. Now the settings for the auto forward has been enabled. Let's test it on my Gmail account. So I'm logging to my other email account, which is Butterfly Wings, and I have given the nvtechfield@gmail.com and the subject line as testing auto forward option. So there's no emails in my nvtech field, so I'm going to send it from my other email ID. I clicked on send. It went through. So let's see whether I received it. So the moment I receive it, it should be in the marked state, and a copy should be going to my NVTech Wings. See, I received it just now. So as I said, it is in marked state because the original is left in the inbox with the marked state, and the copy of it will be forwarded to other email address, that's nvtechwings@gmail.com, and I can see from whom I received it to who to which person it is intended to send. So Butterfly Wings is my primary email which was sent to NVTech field, and since the auto enabled is on, I have received it on NVTech Wings. Hope this information is useful for you. Let me show you how to configure the delegation of access of one email account to another email account. So I have two Gmail accounts. I'm giving delegation access from one account to another account. This is an inbuilt feature in Gmail. If you want to enable, follow the instructions. So before getting into the instructions, let me show you what I'm going to do. I have two Gmail accounts. One is NVTech field, other one is NVTech Wings. I'm going to delegate the access of NVTech field to NVTech Wings. So when I log into NVTech Wings, I can see another mailbox where I can access everything of NVTech field. So let me show you how to configure this. For this to configure, I have to log into NVTech field first. So let me log into NVTech field. So this is my NVTech field. So I'm going to give access to this mailbox to another mailbox. So for this, I'm going to click on settings, see all settings. Under the settings, I have to click on accounts and imports tab. Here, grant access to your account. So when I click on this add another account, it will ask me for the email address of another account, and that account will have a delegation access of this particular mailbox. So I'll click on this. I'll type here nvtechwings@gmail.com and click next. Now it's confirming whether you want to give access to NVTech Wings, because this is a delegation access. So everything on this email account will have an access to other email account. So I'm just saying yes, send email to grant access. So I clicked on this. Now a confirmation email will be sent to the other email account. Now I'm logging here NVTech Wings. I should have received an email by now already from Gmail team. Sorry. This is NVTech Wings. Okay. Yes. So like I said, I have already received a confirmation email from Gmail team. Asking to confirm whether you want to access NVTech field emails from here. Now I click on accept, and I'm confirming that I need access to it. Now the verification is completed, but it's saying that it may take up to 30 minutes for the verification to complete. So now what will happen here is, now as soon as I enable this, I will have this banner on the top saying that for the security purpose from the Gmail, it is giving that you have granted access to NVTech Wings, and if you want to make any changes, you can review the settings, and this banner will will be it will be shown for next 7 days. So now let's see how this is going to work. So I clicked on NVTech here. Now I can see I should be able to see NVTech field here. So let me log off from both just to make sure I'm on the right page. So I have logged off and I'm logging to NVTech Wings because NVTech field is already granted the access, right? So let me log in here. Now if I click here, I see there is another mailbox name here, NVTech field at Gmail delegated. The name itself, after the name I can see it's delegated. So when I click on it, I can see and it will open up another page, everything of that particular mailbox. See, I can see what percent, what is there, everything. I will have access to the complete mailbox with the delegation access. Hope this information is useful for you. Let me explain you how to enable themes on your Gmail. Themes will give you a more colorful UI, a pleasantful options to select what are based on your taste. You can select the color and the theme. So let's see how to enable it. So I logged into my Gmail account. So to select the theme, so this is the basic theme. So by default you will get this white and a little grayish color on your left pane. Now I click on settings here and I'm clicking on all settings. I have these themes here. Now under the themes I click on set theme and it will ask me to select or pick up the theme that I like. So these are different themes available. So if I select my by default, for example, if I'm selecting this one, June imps, and save, I see this little pictures everywhere on my screen. So whether I'm in inbox or sent items or start mailbox, everywhere. Similarly, if I click again on the themes, I can select anything. I mean, by default, I can even choose a flavored color that I want to choose. So I'm selecting something, this graffiti on my mailbox. So all the background pictures will get selected. And so it's just an interactive one to look more pleasing and more colorful, the UI. So if you want, you can enable this. Thank you.